Hey, what's going on, Aaron? I hope you're doing well. If you're checking out this video right now, then maybe you're looking at the Redbubble affiliate program, right? We're going to talk all about it. Let's find out if it's legit, how much do they pay, is this a good use of your time, or maybe it's a waste of time and there are better affiliate programs out there. Let's check it out, okay? And anytime you want to find my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link right below. I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out the Redbubble affiliate program to find out whether this is a good use of your time, or maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, Redbubble is a very huge print-on-demand store. You can literally sell everything from clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living, babies and accessories, stationery and office, tons of stuff, right? It's a very, very cool website. If you are basically an entrepreneur or you're a designer, you can come here and basically sell your designs and they will print it and send it directly to your customer, right? But if you don't want to do that and you just want to resell Redbubble merchandise, you can become an affiliate. So you can come to the Redbubble affiliate program, right? And you can just scroll down here and you can actually join it via Impact, which is a very large affiliate network, okay? And if you just come down, the most important thing that I want to find out about any program is how much do you actually make, okay? Now, unfortunately, Redbubble pays a whopping 2% commission on products that you sell. Now, let me explain exactly what that means, right? So as an affiliate, if you were to come to Redbubble and you were to sign up with them and you were to sell one of their phone cases or wall art or home and living, they will basically pay you 2% of the sale price, which, by the way, is extremely low. It's probably the lowest commission affiliate program that I have come across ever. And I've reviewed a lot and I've done a lot as well. So I would say that it's not very good, honestly. I mean, Redbubble is a great website. They've got a lot of really cool products. But if the affiliate program is only paying you 2%, as a marketer, it's very, very difficult to make money. Now, let me put that in perspective for you, okay, before we cover anything else, right? And it's really funny because they're like, wow, right? It's actually not wow. It's actually really, really bad, because if you're selling Amazon products, they pay you 3% to 5%, okay, for the majority of the products. There are some products they pay you 10%, but that's very, very little. So I think the Amazon Associates affiliate program is crap. 3 to 5%, it's very hard to make money that way as an affiliate, okay? Etsy, very similar, 3 to 5% as well. eBay, also very similar, 3 to 5%, right? It's crap because they sell physical products, okay? Now, with Redbubble, 2%, it's even lower. It's actually one of the lowest programs that I've ever seen out there. Okay, now let's do the math on this, all right? Just so that you can see how bad this number is right here, okay? 2%. So let's just go to, I don't know, phone cases, or let's just see wall art, right? Let's look at art prints, because this is generally, the price points that you can expect with stuff on Redbubble, okay? So $24, $28, $25. So let's take somewhere in the middle, 23 bucks, right? What's the commissions on that? $23 times 2%, you're making 46 cents in commissions if you sell any one of this, like the fist, the Trump fist pump one, the Gervais one. It doesn't matter, right? You're making basically about 40 cents, 45 cents commissions for selling a $23 piece of art. Now, if you look at the general price points of a lot of their stuff on Redbubble, okay, it's all kind of around that range, okay? Let's look at throw blankets, right? Just so that you can see. They don't sell super expensive stuff. It's like $37, $20, $5, $3, stuff like that. So even with, like, let's just say you sell a $41 throw blanket, $41 times 2%, you're making 82 cents in commissions. It's really low, all right? So how many throw blankets do you need to sell to make $10,000? Let's check that out. 10,000 divided by 81 cents is, holy smokes, 12,345 throw blankets that you would have to sell for you to make $10,000 a month. Now, nobody's going to be able to make 12,000 sales as an affiliate. It's very, very difficult, okay? Even the best out there don't sell that many. That's a lot of product that you need to move, right? So I would say that for the average affiliate, it would be extremely difficult to make decent money with Redbubble, all right? Now, they've got a 30-day window, but who cares, okay? Because honestly, if their commission rates are 2%, it doesn't matter if your attribution window is 30 days because that's pretty normal anyway, okay, for most affiliate programs, right? Some do 60, some do 90, but I mean, if you're making 2% commissions, who cares about the attribution window because you're not making much money anyway, all right? Now, let's compare this to their major competitor, who is Zazzle, right? Now, Zazzle, which I just reviewed recently actually, now their affiliate program is not bad. Okay, it's still not super high, but it's really high for a physical product store, right? 15% commissions compared to 2%. It's unreal. All right, I mean, holy smokes. Okay, so I would say that, look, if you want to sell physical products from a print-on-demand store that sells all sorts of like little knickknacks and stuff like that, I would go to Zazzle and promote their products as an affiliate compared to Redbubble, because Redbubble, you may as well just not sell anything at all. I mean, the commissions are just so low that it's a joke, okay? I would rather do Amazon, even though Amazon's crap, all right, than Redbubble, because at least Amazon pays 3 to 5%, so you're making just a little bit more, right? It's not much more, but it's a little bit more. But out of all of them, you know, I would definitely not do Redbubble. I don't recommend this because the commission rates are just too low, okay? So there's nothing to say, you know, nothing to talk about there, unless you're somehow related, you know, or invested in the business for some reason, then maybe you can do it. Or maybe you're an influencer that has like, you know, 1 million or 5 million followers already, and you just want to make kind of like a throwaway statement because there's something cool on here that you want to sell. Like maybe there's a great wall art here that's not available on Zazzle, okay? Then sure, if you got already 1 million followers, then it doesn't matter. It's like a throwaway sale, right? You just come onto your TikTok account and you're like, hey guys, there's this awesome art print right here that's available on Redbubble if you want to check it out. You know, check it out right here, and you make like, you know, 80 cents per sale and you do a few thousand sales, then it's easy, right? But if you're a beginner or you've got no following, or you're just an affiliate, you're brand new and you're like, Aaron, I want to sell stuff online, is the Redbubble affiliate program good? I would say that it's rubbish, honestly. And it's very rare that I say something's completely rubbish. I think the Redbubble affiliate program is completely rubbish, right? It's right at the bottom at 2%, okay? So let me kind of stack it for you just so that you can understand, and then we'll talk about what you should really be selling if you want to make money as an affiliate, right? So Redbubble's right at the bottom. That's actually the worst affiliate program I've seen, 2%, okay? Then you've got Amazon, Amazon Associates, Etsy, eBay, 3 to 5% commissions, all right? Okay, then you've got TikTok Shop, which is about 10 to 15%, and then Zazzle is 15%. Not bad. That's kind of, you know, generally when you sell physical products, all of the physical product stores and networks, they're around that range, right? Redbubble being right at the bottom, okay? Now, what I would probably do if I was a beginner or I want to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing is I wouldn't sell physical products unless you've got a massive following and you can just do a throwaway kind of sale, like you just mention something and your followers are going to buy. But if you're trying to build this as a business, as a beginner, you don't want to really sell physical stuff because the commissions, as you can see, are very low, right? Like this, okay? What you want to sell instead is digital products. When you sell digital products, the commission rates are a lot higher because there's no manufacturing cost for every new unit of product, all right? So if you go to marketplaces like ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you'll find products that range between 40 to 70 or even sometimes 80% commissions. Now, that is, I mean, more, you know, hundreds and hundreds of times more commissions than the Redbubble commission rate. Think about that. If you sell something for 70% commissions, you're making how many times more money just selling one product than Redbubble, right? So you want to sell digital stuff, not physical stuff, okay? So I don't recommend the Redbubble affiliate program. I think it's crap. Even though it's a great store. I mean, if you want to come here and buy stuff as a consumer, it's great, right? If you want to create, you know, products and sell it as an artist, also not too bad. I think Zazzle's better, but Redbubble's okay. It's not bad, right, as a network. But if you want to be an affiliate and resell their products by grabbing a link, I think it's absolutely horrendous. 2% is just, you know, I don't even know why they bother even paying out people, honestly. It's just so low, people can't really even make real money decently here, okay, as an affiliate. All right, so I don't recommend this program. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you want to do affiliate marketing, you don't know how, right? I've reviewed tons of strategies on this channel. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Out of all of them, The one thing that I do really like is affiliate marketing, but done in a very specific way. Okay, so I use this specific strategy to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and if you would like to learn that strategy step by step, click the link right below. I've got a masterclass that will show you exactly how I did it for free. Okay, check it out if you want, and I hope you enjoyed this review of the Redbubble affiliate program. I don't recommend this specific affiliate program. There are a lot of other better ones out there. All right, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon on another video review. Take care.